Hello friends, this is Anant here and welcome to my channel again. In this video, I'm going to show you a great trick where you can insert totals very quickly. You don't have to insert totals individually like this. And usually people insert totals like this. They do the sum formula and then they select the whole range and then they copy it down. You don't have to do all that. You can just go to this part of the table, you can select it. Then you can press Alt equals and it will insert all the totals for you in one go. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please share it with others and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your time.